And now let's come to the second portion of the derivation, that is to find out the length of the cable. Now we have to find the length ACB. We know that this cable ACB has its supports at different levels. Now in order to find out the length of this cable, what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this point A up to the level of B. So suppose this is the level of the B support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this point A up to the level of B support. Suppose this point is A dash. I'm also going to introduce a second point B dash at the level of support A. So this is your B dash point at the level of support A. Now in order to find out the length of the cable, we will be using this equation. The length of ACB, this is equal to half of length of ACB dash plus A dash CB. If I add the lengths of these two cables, ACB plus ACB dash, and take the half of these two lengths, I will get the length of cable ACB. Now let us first see the logic behind this equation number 1. See, we are saying that the length of ACB is equal to this, half of length of ACB dash plus A dash CB. So I write it here, half length of ACB dash plus length of A dash CB. See, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to break up this ACB dash into different parts. See, if you see this portion ACB dash, it has two parts, AC and CB dash. So I can write ACB dash as AC plus CB dash. If you see this part A dash CB, this has four parts, A dash A plus AC plus CB dash plus B dash B. So I can write this length as A dash A plus AC plus CB dash plus B dash B. Now I can rearrange this equation and write it as half of AC plus CB dash plus B dash B, and I write this A dash A along with AC plus CB dash, so I will get A dash A plus AC plus CB dash. Now again half of AC plus CB dash plus B dash B. Now this term can be written as AC plus CB dash plus C. Now if you see in the diagram, A dash A is equal to B dash B. So I can write A dash A equal to B dash B. So I can write A dash A equal to B dash B. So I will get these two terms. If you see this term AC plus CB dash plus B dash B, so AC plus CB dash plus B dash B, this will give you ACB. And if you see this term also, AC plus CB dash plus B dash B, this will also give you ACB. So I can write this as ACB plus ACB. So it means twice of ACB. So 2 gets cancelled out. So you will get the length ACB. That's why I'm writing the length of ACB as half of the length of ACB dash plus A dash CB. Now we have already derived the formula of length of the cable subjected to UDL when the supports are at same level. So ACB dash, see if you see this part ACB dash, the supports are at same levels, so I can apply this formula. See, for part ACB dash, this L is equal to L1. Okay, so this L is equal to L1 plus L1, so you will get 2L1. If you see A dash CB, this L total span is equal to L2 plus L2. So I can write L as 2L2 for A dash CB. After putting the formula and the values and rearranging, I will get the length of ACB, that is L plus 2 by 3 bracket H1 square divided by L1 plus H2 square divided by L2.